Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you guys how you can fix partner monetization policies and Instagram. So to fix it, what you need to do is just follow me for a while and I'll be guiding you with a very easy step. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's get started. So firstly, just go to Instagram and check for the problem one last time. If it's not working, what you can do is just go to your profile and just go to all the way down in the settings and then go with the help option and go with the support request and then go with reports. Oh sorry, I mean not from here, just go with a help center there, and then it will redirect you to the help center of the Instagram. So over here, what you need to do is just search for your problem. So your problem is partner monetization policies. So just search it, and then you'll be having a lot of options over here. Just choose your problem and then deal with Instagram, and then it will fix within some hours. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.